Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to do is we're going to speak about something completely different, like we never really do, because we need to speak about you. So we're going to speak about basically, where do you see yourself in the next 3 months? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today what I want to discuss is, where do you see yourself in the next 3 months? And the reason why I ask you that is because I feel like in the world that we are in today, it's very easy for people to just, forget their goals, forget what they want to achieve. Instead, I feel like, I don't want to say it like this, but they let life just take over. And when I say life, I mean essentially they get so comfortable in their job that they forget about what was their dream before they got into this job. Because listen, I understand like jobs, pay bills and so on, because everyone needs that, that's fine. But at the same time, never let a job consume you, unless you honestly just like it, that's fine. But there's so many people that are in a job that they're honestly unhappy with, and they just don't know where to start, they don't know what to do, and they don't even seek for advice. Instead, they do this thing where, they just hope that, one day, things will work out. But you always need to take action. Forget about hoping. It's time to take action. So for example, writing down daily goals, that's for one. It's time to write down daily goals. You can have a normal 9-to-5 job and work hard, but at the same time, if you don't want to be in that job, don't let that consume you. Once you come back home, have an hour break with yourself, have your dinner, whatever, and then after, from 7 to 9, work on building your dream, work on building your business. It's all about time management. Time management is the key to so many people's success. Because there's nothing wrong with you working a 9-to-5 to help you build your grind and, do what you gotta do. Because look, that's what a lot of people do. But the thing where people go wrong is that they just stay there, because when they're not happy, by the way, not the ones that are just happy with it, that's fine. But the ones that actually want to move away from this, they will physically stay there and just be upset with life and feel like, when next can I, do X, Y, Z. But at the end of the day, it's about you working towards your goals. Stop hoping, stop dreaming, and just take action, because it's not as hard as you think. So another thing, sometimes people don't leave their 9-to-5 due to passive income and, having money coming in. The whole point of having this job is for us to build money. Build that money to invest or do something with it. Don't work paycheck to paycheck, because a lot of people do this thing where they work paycheck to paycheck, and then it's like a rat race, and you want to come out of that rat race, And I feel like I just want to touch on this stuff, because with everybody who wants to get into business, to get into property, who want to build their dream, it's time for you to work on yourself, and it's time for you to start setting a goal on what you must do day by day. The next thing I want to talk about is, where do you see yourself? Well, we're already speaking about it, but where do you see yourself within a month's time now? Where do you see yourself in a month's time? Because you normally get these lines where people say stuff like, where do you see yourself in a year's time? Why are we thinking so far ahead? Your life can change within 3 months. Your life can change within a month. But it's about you taking action for it to even change. If we're just sitting there doing the same old thing that's not working out, you must be tweaking something to do something different. Don't think, so for example, when it's New Year's, where people say new me, new year, all of that. But come on, why are we waiting until New Year's to change ourselves? You could change yourself now. Why are we actually waiting? Why are you waiting? You could change yourself now. Build the business that you want and have that passive income that you desire to do whatever you want. Because there's one thing that really touches me sometimes when people are working. When people are working with these jobs, there's 365 days in a whole year. But you only get, in the UK anyway, I don't know about USA, but in the UK, you only get like 28 days of holiday. Are we at school? Are we at school? Why should somebody tell us when we can go holiday? So guys, before we end today, make sure you add me on Instagram. It's Oniru. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerts every Wednesday at 10 PM when I post. And guys, once again, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.